Today, we're unboxing something serious for camera rigging. The Movmax Blade Arm is designed to give your GoPro, DJI Pocket, and Insta360 or even your smartphone battery smooth footage even on the move. Let's open this beast. The box feels premium. Clean branding, matte finish. Right here you can already see what's built for. Shock absorption, mounting stability, and mobile versatility. Inside the box, here's what you get. The Movmax Blade Arm itself, full metal solid weight and spring loaded. A strong vehicle suction mount, ideal for cars, windows, and hoods. This thing is impressive. Smooth matte black metal, clear branding, and every joint has tight factory lock. Definitely feels like it was made for rough roads, action filming, or creative mobile rigging. This isn't just for a big rigs. The Movmax Blade Arm works with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, Insta360, X4, X5, GoPro Hero, and even smartphone. Whether your mount is in car, bike, or window, it's already absorb shock and give you stable cinematic footage. That's the full unboxing of the Movmax Blade Arm. Next up, we'll test it on the car rig and see how smooth the footage really is. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see a full mobile rig setup. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.